Hey everyone! Ready to level up your workplace English? Today, we're tackling the art of agreeing and disagreeing in workplace. We're using our special double loop method. First, I'll say the sentence, then my best friend here will repeat it slowly. After that, I'll say it again at normal speed. Finally, my friend will say it one last time normally. It's fast, it's fun, and it works. Before we jump in, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Ready? Let's crush this. I totally agree with you.
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 That is a great point.
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 I am not so sure.
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 You are spot on today.
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 I see it differently, friend.
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 I am on the same page.
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 That might not work here.
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 You nailed it this time.
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 That makes perfect sense now.
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 I can't argue with that.
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 Let's agree to disagree, okay?
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 I'm with you on that.
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 No way, that's too risky.
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 I'm leaning towards no.
I'm leaning towards no.
I'm leaning towards no.
I'm leaning towards no.
We are in full agreement.
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 I feel the same way.
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 Let's rethink that idea.
Let's rethink that idea.
Let's rethink that idea.
Let's rethink that idea.
You read my mind.
You read my mind.
You read my mind.
You read my mind.
I'm not convinced yet.
I'm not convinced yet.
I'm not convinced yet.
I'm not convinced yet.
That's exactly what I thought.
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 Let's try another way.
Let's try another way.
Let's try another way.
Let's try another way.
I'm 100% on board.
I'm 100% on board.
I'm 100% on board.
I'm 100% on board.
I have some reservations.
I have some reservations.
I have some reservations.
I have some reservations.
You are speaking my language.
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 That is a solid plan.
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 Great job today, everyone. Keep practicing and stay energetic. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.